Again, I'm in Manhattan, and as you can see right here, there's a pile driver. They're driving the big beams in the ground to pour for foundation for a new commercial building that's coming up. So it's pretty cool. It's almost in the ground. This is the one that they're driving in now. The one that the pile driver is driving in. There are soundless pile drivers as well. And it's just funny because New York City uses this ones with sound, so you can hear them driving the thing into the earth for the foundation, for the foundation beams. But yeah, that one's in there now. So that's interesting. Yep, pretty cool. Oh shit.